Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over a very quick lesson on how to draw a mixture of Knuckles and Skibidi Toilet merged as one character. What would it look like? We're going to go through the lesson right now. Okay, so let's get into that mixture of Knuckles and Skibidi Toilet, okay? So let's jump right in. So 5 minutes in, we're going to get this. All right, let's do it. Angular line for Knuckles' eye right there. Gonna pull up here for the top of Knuckles' eye, and I'm gonna curve down here for the outside part of his eye, right? So we're focused on his eye right now. I'm gonna throw a large line from here to here, curve over here like for his cheek. From this point, that's gonna be the tip of his nose. I'm gonna pull down. And I'm going to draw a line over here and then kind of fill in the tip of his nose, pretty much. Leaving a little bit of a highlight there. I'm going to go over here, out, up, over here for the brow. So the brow is kind of that portion of skin, or really it's going to be bone and stuff like bone and skin above the eye. It's meant to kind of protect your eye from like rain or something falling into it. Curve over here. Curve line for his eye, and you can draw a little circle highlight in here and throw a dot right there if you want. Alrighty, over here now, line down for his hair, his dreadlocks, up one, over here, and I'm going to wiggle it down. So you're going to put an S curve right here, up over here, and you'll find out why later. And I'm going to complete the bottom of his face. Line over here for his expression. Let's put a little crunch at the edge of his, of his smile there, or his little grimace face. Up over here for the top of the head. Back over here for the top of the head. Out, down. And we're going to pull line down here. Up right there. Continue this line down over here. Up over here, and then we're going to continue these lines upward, upward, upward. Okay, so we got Knuckles' head right there. Now we got to do the Skibidi Toilet part of this. So line over here for kind of the toilet bowl, line back, fill it in. Out over here, down, and curve. Curve the bowl underneath, line out, line over here, down over here, curve out, up, pull out right there. So it becomes thinner right below the bowl of the toilet and pulling out. Obviously, there's the Skibidi Toilet stuff. By the way, hit the like, really, if you can. I mean, if you're watching right now, hit that like button. It takes 2 seconds. Yeah, because these are like hard to figure out as I'm teaching them. So please hit that like button. Really helps. Curve along the edge. All right, we're gonna keep following this area, and so now we're gonna have the kind of tank area in the back. Up over here. Over here, this area, we're gonna go up over here, down. Circle right there. Circle right there. Outward over here. And line over there. Cool. Curve right here for the back of the toilet right there, that bottom part with all the stuff. And now we're going to draw. So everything from this point on is kind of like bonus stuff, right? It's bonus. So we're going to with a thin line, maybe draw a line underneath here to show like different angles of that toilet itself. Like on the bowl, like it's angling out a little bit. Maybe a thin line along the edge. A bar right there for the little handle. And then if you want, you can draw these little thin lines to show edges of stuff. But and then maybe upward, just right there, to give them a little bit more of a like stern look. But what would you call this character, by the way? It's not Skibidi Toilet. It's not Knuckles. What would you call this character? If you comment below the best one, I will put it. What's it called? I will absolutely, pin that comment. Okay. What is it? What would you call this character? Thank you so much. Let's go on to the next video. I want you to stay with me right now. We're gonna move on to the next lesson. All right. Stay with me. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.